Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a purple smoked out eye look. Actually, in my previous video, I asked you guys if you wanted to see a colorful version of my previous video, and this is the look that I came up with. Absolutely love the purple and the smokiness. It's definitely something maybe for a special occasion, but regardless of your eye color, it's going to look stunning on anyone. It's going to look beautiful on brown eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, so definitely give it a go if you have purple. I want to say purple eyes if you love purple. So the first thing I did was priming my eyelids, and then I went in with this super light color which has kind of like a lilac purpley undertone, but it's just basically a super soft pinkish color. You could also go in with a white color instead, but I just used a white light kind of like matte shade underneath the brow. Then I went in with a purple color, which is going to be like the base for my whole crease. So I'm just going to kind of like blend and apply this all over my eyelid. I just started with a little bit and I just gradually applied more and more of this shade, but I just wanted to make sure that it was applied all over my eyelids, all over my crease, just kind of all over everywhere on my eyelids basically. Now for the next shade, I'm going in with this kind of light color which has a little bit of a sheen. So first I popped it in the inner corner of the eye, and I also applied it a little bit on the beginning part of my eyelid. I'm gonna put all the names of the products I'm using today in the description bar in case you're curious what the exact names are. Then I went in with this purple kind of more vibrant shade, and I'm gonna blend this along kind of the outer portion of the lash line, and then kind of in the direction where you would normally apply your wing liner. So I'm just kind of following the line towards the tail of my brow, not dragging it all the way towards my brow. That will look maybe a little bit crazy, but just following that line or that direction. It's kind of hard for me to explain in English, but hopefully by seeing me doing it, it kind of makes sense. So I just want to kind of create like a shadowy, blended out, smudgy effect. So I apply most product in the area that I'm blending right now, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm kind of dragging it more upwards towards the tail of my brow, so you get more kind of like a faded effect. Now I went in with this dark kind of purple shade, which also looks kind of like a blue. It's kind of like a combination, and I started blending this a little bit lower as where I went in with that purple color. I also go in with a little bit of black, but I first wanted to use this dark purple and just start blending that out. And then after this, I will go in with black to make it even more intense. So just smudging my brush back and forth, and this kind of shade was kind of hard to blend out actually, but I'm just trying to smudge it, and I think I actually switched to a different brush after this because I just felt like it wasn't really working for some reason. So I just try to blend my brush back and forth, and then after this I'm going in with a black eyeshadow as well and a different brush, as I said. I'm just really trying to work it. but it's just not working. So now I went in with a soft blending brush and that worked a lot better. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the product and follow the same line as I did with that previous color and create like that smoky wing liner effect. If it doesn't look good, don't worry too much. If you go too low with your eyeshadow, for example, if it looks like really like a mess, you can always go in with some concealer and clean up the underneath, like the edge underneath, and that will make it maybe look more like a wing liner. So you can definitely do that if you feel like the down part from this smudginess looks a little bit weird. Just drag some concealer underneath it and that will make it look a lot more sharper. I don't want it to look too sharp. I still wanted that smudginess to have. And I didn't really need concealer, but if it wouldn't look good, I would definitely go in with some concealer to make it look more like a winged liner, if that makes sense. So I went in with that purple color, which I previously used. Oh no, this one is actually a little bit darker. And I also think I blended a little bit of that previous color, like that first color that I used to blend out the winged liner. But it just depends on how it's looking. Maybe you need a little bit of the darker shades. Maybe you need a little bit more of a lighter color. Just kind of see what looks best for you. So now I went in with a white color. Actually, I felt like that light purple nude kind of shade that I used all the way at the beginning, I felt like it wasn't light enough, so I used a matte white color. The one that I used is White Lies from makeupgeek. Not sure if it's still available, but like I said earlier, I will link everything down in the description bar. So I went in with a super dark color underneath the lower lash line, and then I went in with that purple color, which I used all the way at the beginning as well for that smudgy eyeliner. I kind of just used the same colors as I did with the smudgy eyeliner to kind of complement each other. Then I went in with this nude pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. So one side is, I believe, a dark brown or a dark blue, and the other side is a nude color. Super pretty, so I decided to use that for my waterline today. Then I went in with this lash curler from Maria Malky. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I will link it down. Super cool lash curler, which actually has kind of like a comb in it. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right in English, but it's super nice. So then I went in with this Maybelline, what is the name? Sky High Mascara. I can't believe I forgot the name because I use it in all my videos. I also spilled a little bit on my nose, but it was really easy to remove with a cotton pad. Then I went in with these beautiful lashes from Swati. I will link the style name of the lashes in the description bar. Super pretty. I feel like these lashes look just perfect with today's eye look. They're not too dramatic, not too neutral. I think they're just basically perfect for today's eye look. I really like it. So this is the final result, guys. I'm also going to show you an option where I just quickly added a little bit of glitter because I felt like this will look so beautiful with glitter as well. So I used a little bit of lash glue, no, not lash glue, glitter glue. I tapped it all over the eyelid and then I dipped my brush into a soft sparkle. I will link the name of the glitter in the description bar. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. So maybe you like the matte version more. I really like the matte version actually. But I just wanted to show you the option with glitter as well. So maybe you feel like I actually want to add some glitter. This is how it looks with glitter. Let me know in the comments what version you like more. Do you like the more simple? Well, it's not actually simple, but the version without glitter, or do you like the version with glitter? Let me know in the comments. So this is also already the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoy watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that